Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 23rd. This is a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there's always, in a row or in a column, there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. A double O here 1, there 1. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here an O, there an O. A double O here 1, there 1. A double 1 here an O, there an O. A double O here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here an O, there an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here an O, there an O. Then I cannot continue. Hey, that's strange. Yes, here between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here an O, there an O. Then between two O's comes an 1. Double 1 here an O, there an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah, finish in 3 minutes. Alright. That's quick. Very quick. And no comparing, so... Anyway, thank you for watching again. And if you like this binary puzzle, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. That will be a tectonic one, aka Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.